Raspberry Pi and Visual Basic, programming Windows 10 IoT, are Internet of Things, and these are some examples from my book. My name is Carl Shackelford, and Visual Studio Community 2017 and Visual Basic is the subject. My new book is available on Amazon and Kindle, so go out and take a look. Shown now is the Raspberry Pi board, which you probably all have, has the GPIO and all the ports. Another thing you might get is a CanaKit Ultimate Starter Kit. It's not required, but it really makes things easy. And the ribbon cable and everything and the breadboard are all there in the kit. The book will always show you both ways, wiring directly to your Pi or using the kit. Again, let's go Visual Basic. The dispatch timer and the GPIO references were all we needed to make this code. A couple of import statements and a timer error handler. Well, on to the code. I have a 7-inch touchscreen with a GPIO extender breadboard, not required again, but it makes it easier. And also the code uses a timer and delay with electronic push button. It also has a button on the screen for allowing you to toggle the LED status. You see, it tells you where it is, the source, the LED defines everything. Well, all the code in this book is meant to be simple, just like this. A simple on-off in electronics will take you a long way. File writes, SQL access, timers, VB should be easy. I really like Visual Basic, and I wrote this book for other people to make it a little simpler. And I thought you might enjoy it. It has simple examples. So take a look at Raspberry Pi and Visual Basic on Amazon or Kindle and see what you think. Thanks for watching.